So now students, we are going to see the section. Now what this section line indicates is, so at this line of the room, okay, at this part, okay, at this part we are going to cut from the slab, okay, right, to cut from the slab. It will cut through the wall, it will cut through the plinth and through the foundation. So it is this manner, okay. I am showing my hand, or I am waving my hand like this only for your imagination. I am cutting the slab, okay. Now I am cutting the slab, cutting the wall, cutting the plinth, okay, and through the foundation. Now this much part, I am showing it by my fingers, this much part we are going to cut away. We are going to remove this much portion. I am showing it by my hand, okay. So I am going to remove this much portion of the room and take it away, okay. So this much room, this much part is cut and taken away. Now this triangle symbol, it is pointing upwards. So what it means, now I am standing here, okay, I am standing here in front of this room. Now I will imagine this height wise, okay, I will imagine this height wise. I am standing in front of my room or this room. Now this much portion, okay, this much portion has been cut, this much portion has been cut, and you need to look through this manner or in this direction. So if this much portion is cut away and you are going to look in this fashion, okay, because the triangle is pointing upwards, you can see. So we are going to see in this fashion. So then if this part is cut away and you are looking in this fashion, you are only able to see this much portion. Only you are able to see this much portion, because this much portion has been cut away, it has been taken away. This much portion has been taken away and you are looking in this manner. The triangle is upward pointing. So this much portion is visible to you. Now as I told you, we are going to cut right from the slab, wall, plinth and the foundation. So let us see here. So when you cut from the slab thickness is visible to you, okay. The slab thickness, if you cut like this, take this portion away, look only this portion right from the slab thickness is visible. Below that, this is the wall, this is the wall thickness, this portion you can see. Just so I'll tell you again, you have to have an imagination here. I'm cutting like this, okay, from the slab. Below the wall should all be cut. So this portion have been taken away and this portion is visible. So this visible portion, okay, I am able to see the slab, I am able to see the wall thickness here. I am able to see the wall thickness, I am able to see this wall thickness also, and I am able to see this much vacant space, and that is what I have represented here. So this is the wall height, I can say, and this is the wall thickness, I can see. This wall, this wall itself is this wall here, and this wall is itself this wall. And in section, I have already told you, we have to imagine height wise. So this wall is visible to me here, this wall is visible to me here. This is the height of the wall, this much is the empty space, okay, this much is the empty space right up to here. Only this much is visible, this portion between the finger. So this is the room. So this space is nothing but this space, this space is nothing but this space, and this is the plinth thickness, okay. So this is the plinth thickness. I haven't considered any foundation detail. So I hope you guys have got a fair idea of what do you mean by plan, elevation and section of a basic room drawing, okay. Thank you.